everybody out there in math land. I wanted to give you a quick description on how to multiply using the distributive property. So that way, if you need to help your children at home, you can. I know this one's a little bit more complicated, so I wanted to show you. Basically, what we're doing is we're breaking down the array, or breaking down that basic fact into simpler numbers in order for us to multiply faster. Of course, we know if we memorize our facts, we could be done a lot quicker, but we need to know how to break these apart. We are keeping the first factor 4 the same, but we are splitting the second 4 into two addition numbers that I can also equal 4. So I'm going to split the 4 into 2 plus 2. After that, using the distributive property, I'm going to multiply 4 times 2 over on this side and 4 times the other 2 over on this side. Each of these blanks corresponds to the multiplication basic fact that's above it. So 4 times 2 would be 8. And 4 times 2 would be 8. Last step would be to add them. That would give me 16. I can do the same thing over here, but this time they're not splitting up the 9. The factor 9 is staying the same. I'm splitting up the 3 into two numbers that I can add up to make 3. I'm going to choose 2 plus 1. So then once again, I apply the distributive property multiplying the 9 times 2. So I can say it as 2 times 9, that way it's the same order. And then 1 times 9 on this side. Once again, I multiply and put it in the blank beneath it. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 times 9 is 9. Last step is to add 18 plus 9. That would be 27. Same thing applies here. You just have to look at the number that they have broken apart so that you make sure you multiply those two basic facts together. I'm going to do one more. So for example, in this one, they've decided to break apart the 6. The 8 is staying the same, but my 6 is going to be 5 plus 1. Here they have multiplied using the distributive property 8 times 5, and here I have to multiply the 8 times the 1. So 8 times 1. This would be 40. This would be 8, and I would add to get 48. And that's how you multiply using the distributive property.